Well, good morning, everybody. This is Terry with Terry's Travels, and today we're doing another van tour. That's right, another one. So, but this is not exactly a van. It's a Honda Element, and I just met this wonderful lady. Her name is Janet, and she says she's new to the van camping community, and so she's put a lot of thought and effort into this build, y'all. Wait till you see it. It's phenomenal. I mean, it amazes me how some of these ladies can come up with so many ideas for such a small space. Y'all have got to see this. Y'all come along with me. Let's go meet Janet. You're going to love her.
I'm Janet. This is a 2007 Honda Element. I've only had it about 6 or 8 months, and I searched high and low to find an Element. She's got 195,000 miles on her, but she doesn't miss a lick. Here we go.
Oh, how many miles to the gallon does it get?
Not really good. She's kind of like a brick if you look at the way she's built.
Yeah.
I'd get about 20, 21 on the highway and about 16, 17 in town.
Oh, okay.
Which is not real good considering how small it is, but whatever.
Yeah, but it's loaded down.
Oh
So.
yeah, she's loaded down. There's not much in the front seat, junk mostly. This is a little cooler that I keep with some the chill containers.
Right. When you're driving down the road.
When I'm driving down the road, and I have a refrigerator or freezer. I keep it on the freezer setting for days on end as I'm camping, and then as I'm going to use it, I'll take it out of the freezer and put it over here in the cooler for the following day because it'll be thawed out and ready to cook.
Okay.
So that works that way. This is a Yellow Jacket refrigerator freezer, 12 volts. I don't remember what size. It's small, but it's sufficient for what I do.
And it's a 12 volt.
Yes, 12 volt or AC, either way.
Okay.
Either
Okay.
way.
All right. So what are your floors lined with?
The floors are lined with the shop. It's like shop padding. These tiles.
Okay, they're tiles.
The
Okay.
tiles.
Okay.
The whole back end is done that way for insulation purposes as
Right.
well as cushion for my poor knees.
Yes.
When I'm crawling in and out on the other side. Obviously, I don't get in and out on this side.
Yes.
But
Yes.
crawling in and out, it's hard on my knees, so that gives it some extra cushion, and it helps with sound from underneath the car, and it helps with insulation.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice.
It works really well.
Oh, yeah.
I also have the bug screens on the 2 front windows. I don't on the back windows, because the back windows on a Honda Element, they're, I don't know what you call it, where they just pop out just a little bit. So it's really not worth the effort to keep them open.
Right.
So the bug screens are on just the front. We go to the back. The one thing about a Honda Element that's different from a lot of SUVs is we have a tailgate.
That's nice.
So it gives you a nice place to sit. It helps when you're crawling in, but it
Right.
is just a regular tailgate.
Okay.
This is my bug screen that's a makeshift as well. This was actually supposed to be a bug screen for a umbrella, the big yard umbrella.
Yeah.
I just kind of chopped it up and made it what it is.
And it works too,
It works.
girl.
It works great. It's held on up here with magnets, so I can take it down and put it up real easily.
I have heard that a lot of people are using magnets
Yes,
too. So
absolutely.
I've got some of those in my cart for Amazon, so I
I
can.
use a lot of magnets
Yeah.
on the outside of the car.
Yes.
And I'll point out too right here before we move any further, I have 2 or 3 of these. They're magnetic. They're solar lights. So they charge during the day and they come on in the dark. So I've got some light out here. I can look out the windows in the night and I can see what's going
Oh
on.
wow, I need some of those. Oh, where did you get these?
I think they came from Dollar Tree, actually.
Oh really?
They came in a pack of 2
And they're
or 3.
magnetic, y'all.
Yeah, they're magnetic. And even if you can find them that aren't magnetic, you can glue a magnet on the back and they work just fine.
Yes,
But
yes,
they're
yes.
solar, so
Yes.
they charge up during the day and they come on at dark.
Oh man, that's nice.
Works real good to look out. Okay. This is my bed frame that I did make.
How wide is that?
The mattress is 28 inches. My first rendition of a bed was only 22 inches wide. not wide enough for me.
Yes.
I was very uncomfortable. So I had a twin size mattress at my house that I wasn't being used. So I took it and started cutting it up and made the 28 inches. So I actually ended up having to add some width to my frame to make the difference.
So that's what.
28 is perfect.
Okay.
It is absolutely perfect for me.
Right. All right.
Obviously, this is my water with the USB charge water faucet. This is it's an off-brand Hot Logic, which is just a little DC charge again. Plug it in, put some food in it.
Oh yes.
It takes an hour or more to warm your food up. It won't cook anything,
Right.
but it warms it really
Right.
well.
Right. That's like a
a Hot Logic is what they call the name brand one. This is an off brand.
Oh yeah, that heats your food up. That's
Heats the
nice.
food up.
Now I have one of those. It's not that brand, but
yeah, I used it this week. I found this one, believe it or not, at Hobby Lobby.
oh wow, yeah, that's
At
cool.
Hobby Lobby.
Right.
You know. Okay. This is what I call a bolster. This is part of the mattress that I cut apart to make this one. And I'll show you when we get around to the other side basically what I do. But when the hatch is closed and the tailgate is up, I can put these right here and I have a nice little comfort sitting area.
Yes.
I have the pillow and the bolster to sit back and watch YouTube or whatever I want to do.
Right.
I have two of these little plastic
Bins.
drawers
yeah.
and bins
Yes.
that just keep all kinds of stuff. Some cooking stuff, paper towels, flashlights, whatever.
Yeah. Yep.
Goodies in there.
That I have one of those in my van too. I love
I have
it.
two that are back to back, and I have it pushed up a little bit, so even when everything is closed up, I can open all of the drawers and access
Right.
it from the inside as well as
Right.
outside. From the driver's side, the suicide doors that come on the Element give you a big wide opening, which is different from most SUVs.
Very nice.
So you have good airflow and access. I have two of these. We saw the one that was facing the back. These are connected together and sit here, so I can open them from front or back when I'm inside or if I'm out. Same thing, just odds and ends, dishes, salt, pepper, spices, that sort of thing. My favorite little percolator that I make my coffee.
That's nice.
Just a cutting board to sit up here so I have a flat surface that's a little more stable than just the plastic.
Right.
This is a curtain rod. It's kind of covered with the greenery. It's just a curtain rod that is attached to the door handles, the little grab handles with zip ties that go from one handle to the back and stretched out the other way.
That's nice.
These two little baskets, I guess, they're canvas, painted, decorated. I bought them that way. I didn't paint them. That are hanging through the handles. I have another one down here that's underneath. Let me show you.
Yeah, I want to show y'all all of this room she's got up under here too, y'all. That is insane, all the room she's got up under this bed.
This is what they look like. This is how I bought them, just like this.
Yes.
It can go underneath, or I used the handles to just slide the curtain rod through. So when I need something out of there, I can just tilt it, get what I need, and tilt it back. And it's real handy if I'm sitting there just to reach in and grab whatever.
Grab whatever you need. And where did you get these?
I think these came from Ollie's. I don't know if you have an Ollie's. It's just a little discount store. It's got my coffee. My creamer and sugar are in a little insulated tumbler that
Yeah.
I can close the
Oh yeah, that's cool.
in there.
That's good. That's a good idea.
And then my little water bottle that has some soap and alcohol in it to clean things. And I moved my paper towel up here earlier because I needed it and it was just easy to reach. So this is really the only floor space I have. It's sufficient.
Yes, it
I
is.
crawl around. This is my little travel bag with my hygiene stuff, toothpaste, my pills, my face lotions, and that kind of thing that I can, again, unhook
Yes.
and take to the bathhouse.
And it's just so convenient right
so
there
convenient,
too.
just
Yes.
hanging right here.
Oh, so
This is one of my most brilliant as far as I'm concerned, because I have no air conditioning. And I was really concerned about the heat.
right.
This is just a little curtain rod that you can stretch however. I found this fan again at Ollie's
Wow.
and I drilled a couple of holes in it, put these hooks, and now it hangs there. Now, there's been several times when I needed to reach into the front for something, so I can just scoot it out of my way.
Scoot it out of the way.
Get to my key, turn to put the windows up or down.
Yes.
And then come right back.
And slide it over.
And it's
perfect.
been a godsend for this temperature
And
when it's hot.
Well, and sometimes, you know, I know that I've had to crank my van when I got too hot in here, and you turn your air conditioner on, and this will make a good airflow. Yeah, it cools the van down. So, I mean,
it's interesting because it's got the 2 fans in it, and it runs on remote, or you can do it here.
right.
It's got different modes. Mode 1, they're both blowing this way. The second mode is exhaust, so it's going to pull the air that way. So if I have my hitch open, it's going to pull the air all the way through.
Oh, yeah.
The third mode, one is pulling and one is blowing.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
So it really circulates it well.
And that is a Magnavox, y'all.
Yeah.
Check that out.
I think it was like $24 or something.
Oh, goodness gracious.
It's worked really, really well.
I need that.
I just have a very small power station. Here we have electricity, so it's not a problem, but I am kind of using it as a USB. I have the charging cord plugged into the camp power, and it's going into here, and I'm running my refrigerator on DC because it's more efficient
yes.
to run on the DC, and of course I can charge my phone and my watch or
Right.
my iPad or any of those things.
Yes.
So that's kind of it. Well, I have a little pouch here on the back of my seat, and I keep all my charging cords in, and this is the other cord for the refrigerator.
Yeah, I have one of those too.
And my bug spray.
Oh, yeah.
Just a couple of little things like that.
Let me ask you, do you have a toilet? Do you use a toilet in here?
No, I do
Okay.
not have anything. I use the little urinal cups, little urinal bags.
Okay.
And fortunately, we have a bathhouse.
Yeah, fortunately, yeah. That's what
I'm working on trying to figure out an option.
Right.
Obviously, I don't have a lot of room. It'll have to be something that could collapse.
Well, I have a collapsible toilet that I use, and I just set it up at
This
nighttime.
would be an okay place.
Yeah.
to
That
do
way you can just move from your bed to the
Right.
toilet. Yeah.
I will
and-
probably attempt that for my next one, just
Yeah.
in case. I mean,
That-
so far the bathhouse has not been a problem.
Yeah. If you ever get where you're dry camping though, and you just need
Yeah.
So.
Or if the bathhouse is any further than this one.
Yeah, exactly. So
Yeah.
and it's just nice to have for an emergency.
Oh,
You know, at
absolutely.
nighttime.
Absolutely.
But I want to get under here. I wanted to show y'all. I know you can't see. Look at all the space under there, and that's where she keeps her clothes. This bag right here she's pulling out, that's got her clothes in it. But look at all that space, and it goes all the way back to the very back of
several
the.
bags back here.
Oh wow, yeah. Look at all that. Oh wow, that is so nice.
Yeah.
And this right here, her sheet is a crib sheet, and that's what I use on my bed too.
Yeah. This is just a pillowcase that I tied up around.
But this is what you use to extend your bed with, though, right?
Right. When I'm ready to go to bed, I'll take these 2 bolsters that I call them, because I am 5'11", and I tuck them in right here over top of the refrigerator. And now I have a 6-foot bed.
A 6-foot bed, y'all.
From here to there is 6 foot.
She sleeps good,
I
doesn't
sleep
she?
either way.
Yes, isn't that nice? She's got it decorated.
works.
It's so sweet and so nice, y'all.
That's how it works.
Yeah, and even in the front, she's got some little doodads. Look at that, how sweet that is. You know? But yeah, everything is decorated so sweet. And this is something she lays over her bed. It's white, it's beautiful. And I guess that just covers her bed and makes it look pretty,
Yeah,
you know?
and it feels good.
Yeah, it does feel good. I've been rubbing on it ever since I saw it. Yeah. So yes, I am so, I love it.
It's hard to find seat covers. This is a 2007, as I mentioned. And I couldn't find seat covers because of the way this is made, with the seat belts coming out of the seat.
Right.
So I bought some t-shirts with some cute little sayings.
Yes.
And that is my seat cover.
Oh.
T-shirts.
live life in full bloom. Isn't that the truth? I feel just like that.
And this one says positive vibes and positive energy.
Yes, positive vibes. We need that, don't we?
Absolutely.
Janet, we do. We do.
Because Clementine, which is what I named my car, is so small and confining, I needed an area to store some extras. I had used a cargo box to go on top. It looked crazy. It was so big and the car is so small. I'm like, this is not going to work. So I sold it, and this is the route I went. This is a Harbor Freight rifle case, and it fits up there perfectly. It's small. It doesn't hold a lot, but it holds my folded up chair, my folded up tent, the fuel for my gas stove, a lot of those kind of small things.
Right.
Yeah, I have to use a little ladder, but it opens real easy. It's very watertight. And there she goes.
Oh, wow.
There she goes.
And it doesn't look like there's a lot of places. Uh-oh.
Butane and my chairs fit in there, my tent fits in there.
Yeah, and that's a lot of stuff to go in such a small space.
I can cram quite a bit. My extension cords go in there.
If you pack.
My water hose goes in there.
Right.
It works great.
Oh, yeah.
I'm considering, because it is the size it is, I got room on the roof to put a second one.
Yeah.
So I'm considering putting a second one. I have noticed no difference in my gas.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
That works.
Yes, it does. So, Janet, thank you so much for having me. Thank you for this van tour. I absolutely love it. I love your element.
Thank
I
you.
just do. And I'm amazed. And this is your first meetup?
My first meetup.
Oh, my goodness.
Only
Look.
my second camping trip in Clementine and my first butterfly meetup.
Oh, yeah. So, y'all see, she has really put a lot of thought and effort into this no-build conversion. Isn't that wonderful? So thank you for having me.
Thank you.
And if we have any questions, we can count on you on YouTube to answer those questions that I can't answer, because there's going to be a lot of questions.